Now we'll discuss the more about the list variable. So in this, first we'll learn list list is a one keyword, okay, which is used to generate the list. Okay, list means how it will be, values will be stored in the form of the closed brackets. Okay, the values is multiple values or multiple data types will be stored in the form of the in closed brackets. Okay, so list can do that work. Okay, when you put the keyword list and writing something means that all the values will be stored in the format of the list. Okay, next, there is another function, range, range function. What is this range function will do means, for example, if you are written range 10, what it will do means it will generate sequentially 0 to 9 numbers, 0, 1, 2, up to so 9. If you write it 10, it will generate sequentially 9 numbers. If you write 15, it generates sequentially 14 numbers. Okay. Based on this, we'll detail discuss about the list. Wait a minute, I'll erase all this. Now, what I'm doing is I'm taking one variable, okay, which is nothing but list, okay. That means var is a one variable that is a format of, that is in the form of the list. Next, in that I'm using one function range, uh, writing number 15. So what it will do means range function generates 0 to 14 numbers. That 0 to 14 numbers will be put in the form of the list that will be stored in the variable var. Okay, we will execute this, shift enter. So now the first line var is executed. That means what is happened means 0 to 14 numbers are stored in the variable var in the format of list according to Python syntax. So now if you want check it, print var, we have to get output in the form of the closed brackets 0 to 14 numbers. Check it, shift enter, got 0 to 14 numbers. Okay, so now based on this list, after getting this list, I'll say more about this list syntax. So what is this list syntax means? For example, here we are taken var. var is a one variable of list. So in this list, there is a first syntax, start, start, okay. Next, end, okay. Next, it is called as a step. This is a more about the list variable syntax where where, for example, I created one list variable var. This var, we can take the three values in that. First one is a start, second is a end, third is a step. So what it means, for example, we will now we will check it by using one example. For example, what I'm doing means var, okay, var start. I'm starting from some 4, okay, colon end. I want to be ended some assume that 13, okay. Step is nothing but I'm putting its value will be 1. So what it will do means, for example, it starts with, what is this one, this index is a 0, this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It starts with 4, okay. Then what it will do means, this step is, what is the value will be there, this step it will add every time 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Next, 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, sorry, 9. Like that it will generate the number. If you want, we'll see that. shift enter. Okay, now check it. What are the values you got? 4. What is the step value? Step value is a 1. 4 plus 1 5. Next, next again step value 5 plus 1 6. Next, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, 7 plus 1 8. Up to so you are taken 13, so it generates 12. Okay, this is nothing but like an incremental. What it doing? It's doing like a increment. Okay, listen this value. I am saying carefully. This is your starting value. Okay, 4 is a starting value. Start equal to 4. Okay, what is the end value? End value equal to 13. Step value how much? Step value equal to 1. Wait a minute, I'll erase this. So what is the output is, how the output is generated? I'm explaining. So first what will happen is 4. What is the step value? 1. 4 plus, first it will write the 4. Next what it will do means 4 plus 1. Okay, what is the 4 plus 1? 5. Next what it will do? Again step value 1. 5 plus 1. Okay, what is 5 plus 1? 6. Next 6 plus 1 step value. Okay, 7. Okay, like that what it will do means last 11 plus 1 step value. What is value? 12. It will stop at end value 13 means it will stop at 12. So what is value? 4 5 6 7 up to 7 the value will be 12. So that output you got here. Okay, so that how the list will be executing by using this syntax. Okay, what is that? Start. This is a first is a start, second is a end, next this one is a increment like an increment. Okay, every time is increasing. 13 means it is a stopped at 12. So now this is about the how the list working. We'll see some more examples. We'll discuss everything detailed about it. Wait a minute, I'll erase all this. Next, what I'm doing is var. Okay, var is a one list variable. Okay, in that what I'm doing means I'm taking from 1. Okay, I'm not mentioning end value, so leaving this the middle as it is. Okay, next I'm putting here number 2. So what it will do? What you have to get output? So how to get output means listen here. First 1. Okay, next 1 plus 2 3. Next what you have to get? Next 3 plus, what's the increment value? Increment value will be 2. 3 plus 2 5. Like that you have to get. Okay, so now check it. Shift enter. See that 1 3 5. That means every time 2 is added, starting with 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. Next to 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9. Okay, 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 2 13. So what is the our list? How many values will be there? 13 will be there. Okay, so 13 will be there means up to what you got? 13. Sorry, how many list value we have? 14 list values will be there. 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to so on 14. Okay, so what it is doing? It is incrementing up to 14 values only have the permission. So in the list how many values you have? 1 2 3 up to so on 14. Okay, it is starting with 1. Okay, next adding every time 2 2. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 2 13. Okay, 13 plus 2, if you do, what you will get? 13 plus 2 15. It is out of our list, so that's the reason it is not displaying. So this is a how. That means here In this, what we did means, wait a minute. In this, the middle value, end value, we are not mentioned. So up to whatever the list will be there, it is generating up to that list. 14 values will be there. So every time is increasing 2, and it is going to be up to last. Last means up to your 13. Next, if you write 13 plus 2, it is a 15. It is not in our list, so that's the reason not displaying. Suppose I need some only up to, suppose assume that in your list how many elements will be there here? 1 to 14. So I need up to some, assume that 10. So starting value 10, you have to end at starting value 1. This is a 1, starting value 1. End up to 10. Every time how much you want to increase, you have to increase 2. Okay, that we'll see now. Shift enter. Check it. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, you are saying up to 10. Up to 10, how many you got? 9 only. If you do 9 plus 2, it is 11. So, but your step is a what? End step 10. So, it is stopped at 9. If you take 10 plus 9 plus 2, 11, it is going out of your scope. That's the reason it is stopped here. Okay, this is how we can do with the different types of manipulations with the list variables. Okay, one more, for example, where I need all even numbers or something like that. 0, starting value, ending value not mentioning, increment value will be 2. Okay, so now what will happen? Check it, shift enter. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, like this. Our elements is what? In the list, how many elements will be there? 0 to 14. Sorry, in the list, how many elements will be there? 0 to 14 elements will be there. So every time started with 0. Every time increasing to 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Like that is a proceeding. Okay, this is a more about the list variable.